Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to send WhatsApp message without saving the number. Here's how to do it. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see any update available, must update the WhatsApp app. Now launch your WhatsApp and tap on this new chat at the bottom right, and at the top of chat list or contact list, here you will find message yourself. So open message yourself conversation, and here all you have to need, write the contact WhatsApp contact number whom you want to send message without saving the number. So I'm going to type in the account number, and all you have to need, just send the number as a text message. Now tap on the number, and if the number is on WhatsApp, just tap on chat with, and that's it. Now you can easily send a message to the number without saving the number. You can also make audio and video calls. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.